For 8, we're going to use cosine because we have two lengths and the symmetry and an angle. That's one of the situations you can use cosine for. The other one you can use cosine for is when you only have lengths and you're trying to find an angle. But we're using cosine anyway. So for A, we have, we're trying to find x. So we're going x squared equals 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 5 times 6, and the cosine of 87. Okay, so we're going to grab our calculator. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to do 5 squared plus 6 squared. And that will give us 61. Okay, we have 61 equals x squared minus, so now we're going to do 2 times 5 times 6 equals 60. And then the cosine of 87. Next, we're going to turn this, we're going to take the square root of this. We're basically going to square root both of them. So that means we take away the power and we square root all of this. So 61 minus 60 and the cosine of 87. That's what we put in our calculator. The square root of 61 minus 60 and then the cosine of 87. Close our brackets. We get 7.6. Okay. So x equals 7.6. Okay. Now for B. Oh wait, sorry, not B. For 9. So I'll have a link to the photo in the description of this video. So for 9, you have Janice is getting ready to climb a steep cliff. She needs to fasten herself to the rope that is anchored to the top of the cliff. To estimate how much rope she needs, she stands 50 meters from the bottom, so I'll kind of draw this out for you. So this is the cliff, okay? And then she walks 50 meters away, and then she looks up at a 70-degree angle, and she looks at the very top where the rope's anchored. So that means this angle is at 70. So now we have to find the length, how much rope she needs, which is the hypotenuse, because this is a 90-degree angle. So that means we can use SOHCAHTOA, because it's a 90-degree angle. So it's a right angle triangle. So to find out which SOHCAHTOA we use process of elimination. So we have SOHCAHTOA here. So we need adjacent. We have an adjacent. So anything that has that doesn't have adjacent is crossed out. So we can't use OH. Okay. So now we also need to find the hypotenuse, right? So this one doesn't have hypotenuse in it, so it's not tan. Now we use cosine. So we have cosine of 70 equals, so the adjacent is first, so that means that 50 is on top, and then x, which is our hypotenuse, is our unknown angle. So these two switch places. Okay, so now we have 50 over cosine of 70 equals x. So now we can put that in our calculator. So 50 cosine of 70 equals, so that means we need x equals, we're going to round to the nearest meter because that's what they round to. So it's going to be 146 meters. That's how much rope she's going to need. So to recap, for 8, we use cosine because two lengths were around angle. So we found 7.6 for that one is the length of x. What?
Like meters.
Oh yeah, and also it's meters. And then for 9, we used SOHCAHTOA and found from process of elimination, we found out that we had to use CA, which is cosine, and we used adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse, we don't know hypotenuse, so it's x, and then we figured out that the hypotenuse is 146 meters.